In this video, we'll show you how to clean stainless steel pans the right way to keep them shiny, stain-free, and performing like new. With the right cleaning method, you can remove burnt-on food, grease, and discoloration without scratching the surface. You'll need mild dish soap, baking soda, white vinegar, warm water, a non-abrasive sponge or soft cloth, and optionally a stainless steel cleaner for extra shine. Avoid steel wool or harsh scouring pads, which can scratch the metal. If there's stuck-on food or grease, fill the pan with warm water and a few drops of dish soap. Let it soak for 10 to 15 minutes to loosen residue. For tough stains, let it soak longer. Use a non-abrasive sponge or cloth to gently scrub the interior of the pan. Work in circular motions to lift away grease and food without damaging the surface. Sprinkle baking soda on stubborn spots and add a small amount of water to create a paste. Gently scrub the area until the stain starts to lift. Baking soda acts as a gentle abrasive that won't scratch stainless steel. For discoloration or burnt-on residue, pour a small amount of white vinegar into the pan and bring it to a simmer. This helps loosen stuck-on bits and restore shine. After simmering, let it cool slightly and then scrub again. Rinse the pan thoroughly with warm water to remove all residue. Dry it immediately with a clean towel to prevent water spots and streaks. If desired, use a stainless steel cleaner or a bit of vinegar on a soft cloth to polish the surface. Buff in circular motions for a streak-free finish. To keep your stainless steel pans looking new, avoid overheating them, use gentle cleaning tools, and wash them promptly after cooking. Never use harsh abrasives or bleach. With these easy steps, your stainless steel pans will stay spotless, shiny, and ready for everyday cooking. Regular cleaning and proper care keep them looking and performing their best. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitchen cleaning tips.